Did you guys see the, I can't remember his name. Pretty sure he's the CEO of Ahrefs. He's the founder. Wrote that Medium post. They're creating their own search engine.
I've heard about that.
They want to do 90-10 monetization splits where they give 90% of the click revenue as opposed to the 90-10 that Google does the other way or whatever the percentage is. So
it's interesting.
Wow.
Yeah, it is interesting.
I guess when your index gets big enough, though, where do you go next?
I don't think their index is that like they don't have field size index.
Obviously,
that's a fantastic imagination the guy has.
But if you're going to try and reverse engineer an algorithm, your best chance would probably be to start building an algorithm.
The problem I have is they're probably going to use deep Ahrefs. Listen, I think they should go for it, right?
Good point.
Like, I use Ahrefs. I'm not going to bash them, but
their search market share starts taking off. That search metrics coming right out of their tool.
They'll stop sharing DR.
Yeah, DR's going away overnight.
Yeah, I guess the thing is it's becoming kind of the thing to do, and there's people that want to create it based on like blockchain, right? Mm-hmm. And then you have like DuckDuckGo.
Yeah, privacy.
And it's like, man, there's a lot of people that use DuckDuckGo, and they're, you know, the idea of swallowing up enough market share to be like, man, they have to know how expensive it's going to be, right? Because they already parse a lot of data. They have to spend a lot of money on that, right?
Yeah, that's
like you would assume
the core of their business. I would think. Yeah.
Like I would assume, and now they would have to just the amount of data they have has to be a blip compared to. I mean, what does Google say they have just in their public cache? 60 trillion documents?
Yeah.
And that was years ago. It could be more by now.
Yeah, they're probably good.
That's just on their...
That's their public.
That's just their public, not their...
They have a secondary
not their
index.
cache, their everything.
They have the entire...
They've watched the internet grow, and they have a really good history of it.
Yeah. And then there's the idea that what Google indexes is also rather small. It's almost like the universe, right? Then there's the dark matter, the dark web, or the dark matter in space, where it's like this like infinite amount of internet that like we don't even know about. It's like somehow a company thinks they're gonna like, yeah, it just seems like an expensive endeavor, and I hope they don't detract too far away from their core business model. And
it'll be cool to see if it takes off, though. It'll be interesting watching how that builds and develops over the years, and if it goes anywhere. It'll be interesting to see that.
It'll be cool to see if they're...
Even just getting the data of people using the search engine could possibly give them more insight into what Google's looking at that they can't see.
Yeah, maybe.
Which is what I think.
Did they say what they're going to use? Are they going to base their search engine on Google search? You know how you can like basically white label Google search and build your own search engine?
I don't think so.
No?
I wouldn't think so anyway. Just because of how they want to do stuff with the monetization and whatnot, I'd imagine they won't be able to do that. I'm not sure. I've never looked at...
You never looked into making your own search engine?
Using Google search. I mean, you can spin up your one, and then you can test, and you can test like machine learning in it. And
yeah, for sure. But I think with the monetization and stuff, I don't think Google would let you monetize their search.
Use their search.
Me neither.
I read about it once. That was it.
Yeah, no, you definitely can. You can create search engines and do some cool stuff, but I never like looked at it from an engineering perspective. Like, oh, if I wanted to build a search engine tomorrow,
Web 20 search.
Thanks. that sounds lengthy and expensive.
I had enough technical difficulties with our dashboard building that thing. Finally built though, but
it's looking good now.
It's looking good.
Looking
now.
real good.
Damn.
The reporting.
Imagine building a search engine.
Oh.
Think about that engineering team.
Especially with the guy who built our dash.
Oh no. No, he did champion